Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. iOS 18.2 is finally out, and like every updates, it has a battery drain problem. Let's see how we can solve it using tips. First of all, if you have noticed that your iPhone uses more battery than it should, Apple advises you to wait a few days and do nothing, because the first few days after the update, the phone has a lot of background processes. However, if the situation does not improve after a few days, there are a few tips that would be good to do to reduce battery consumption. The first thing you can try is to update the iOS version. For check, open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Check if the new iOS version has arrived on the phone. This version will probably solve all of the iOS version problem. If it is there, install it. Also, a good idea is to turn off haptics. Open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, find the Sounds and Haptics section. Tap on it. Next, select the haptics option. Here, select the option Never Play or Play in Silent Mode. The next things we will adjust is the screen distance. Open up Settings. Find and tap on Screen Time. Tap on it. Here, select the screen distance option. Confirm that this option is turned off. In this way, you can reduce your iPhone's battery drain. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.